My channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I am going to talk you about a new TRX mining website. This website is very special to describe you. And friends, I also describe you all the information about this website. Please watch the video complete so I can explain all the information clearly. Now friends, I open the registration page of this website. You can check here my registration page of this website open, and the name of this website is trx515.com. This is the registration step of this website. First you need to enter your security country code such as +93 +355 and others. And friends, there are all countries are available. You can check and you can enter your country in which you are living, such as if you are living in Oman, you can select 968 and you can etc. Now friends, I open here back, and I friends, you can see that, sorry for it, I open it again and see you the check the registration page of this website. So friends, here you can check here. I enter here. After putting your entry code, country code, you need to put your mobile phone number, login password, security password. After putting all information, you need to click only a sign up. And friends, there you can see that the password is stored in a decentralized way and cannot be retrieved after it is lost. Please remember your password. Friends, now I put my all information and enter into the website and give you the another view of this website. Friends, here you can see that I have entered into the website. This is the latest announcement on official mining is that after successful registration on the official website, you will have two wallets. One is a basic wallet and the other is a promotional wallet. Rules: the basic wallet must be successfully invested. To activate the wallet, TRX can be withdrawn daily. Promotional account and wallet is used to share three tier of investment documents, discounts, and top ups. You can check here. There is no withdrawal limit. You can withdraw cash in full at any time. Each person choose a wallet to withdraw cash once a day. After completing to the registration, the basic wallet will receive 2000 TRX as a registration reward. And in the done friends, you can see that if you invest in this website 5 to 10,000 TRX, you can get 5% withdrawal, 5.6%, 6%, 6.6%, 7%, 7.7%, and the minimum is 5% and the maximum is 7.6%. And friends, you can see that the information that I close here. Friends, you can see that I close this page. First you can see that your total balance that I have 2000 TRX, and here you can see the name of this website, trx515.com. These are the three icons. You can check that. First is notification option. You can check the notification of this website. Now I go back. This is the customer services. You can join the customer services of this website, such as this website provide you online services. If you have a problem, ask customer services. Online services is that, and the online Instagram, sorry, Telegram services that work 24 hours for you. Now friends, this is the change of language option. You can change your website language into many different languages, such as English, Indonesian, and Arabics. And now close this option. Friends, you can see that I click on a close option, but it's not closing. And in the down you can see that I am going to describe you these parts of this website, such as friends, if you need to invest in this website, you can get a huge profit by using this feature. Friends, this is the very error in this website, so I clear and refresh here so my this error can be solved. Now friends, you can see that it will be solved. Here you can check some steps, but I describe you after the reviewing of full page. Here there are two types of wallet. You can see that in the down you can see that I joined to better on millionaire use cloud mining and DAF technology to ensure that all the users get the most revenue. And friends, in the down you can see that these are the total membership of this website. These are the cumulative profit data about us. We are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. And friends, in the down you can see that these are the global partner of this website, such as UBA, Binance, Bitmain, CoinDCX, or AKX. And friends, you can see that these are the all informations of this website. You can check here. Now I am going to describe you the share option, team option, app option, and about us option. Now friends, I click on a share option. Here you can see that website provide you a link that you can click on a copy link and share this link. Refer and earn rewards. Share your refer link and start earning. Friends, you can see that I click on a copy link. After clicking on a copy link, I need to share my friends, and my friends if invest in this website, I get automatically reward by using this feature. Now friends, I go home. Here you can see that this is the team option. Here you can check how much you have a team in in this website, such as friends, I have not team in level 1, level 2, and level 3. You can check here how much you have team in your account. This is the app option. You can download the app. This is the about us. This is the information about us, and you can see that I click on about us. You can know the information about the website, such as I click on about us. You can check the all information about us. And friends, these are no information available. Now I click on a trading option to show the trading feature of this website. Friends, you can see that I click on a trading feature here. You can see that I click on a trading option, but it loading. I wait for the complete loaded of it. Friends, here you can see that I successfully entered into trading option. This website provide you a 5% daily trading mining. Now friends, I am going to describe you the invest option of this website. There are many types of package in which you can invest and get a huge profit by using this feature. Friends, if you invest in a TRX 3-day package, you can get 2% daily rate and your interest with the interest. Now friends, I click on share option that I already describe you, and again click on a mine option. This portion is very necessary to describe. In this portion I will describe your deposit and withdrawal options, and total balance is 2000 TRX. Charge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal functions. Team option, profit list, transfer to basic account, change password, change security password, share, VIP level. Now I click on a VIP level to show you the VIP levels of this website. This website provide you 6 types of level. You can check this the VIP levels of this website, and you can check it. I tell you how to upgrade it. Now friends, I go to the deposit option to show you how to deposit in this website. For deposit, I need to click on a deposit portions. After clicking on deposit option, investment is divided into 2 modes: charge to the basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone after 24 every day. Recharge into the promotion account, you can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income upon maturity. Before investing, please choose a basic account or a promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged successfully. This is a very critical issue. Now friends, I click on transfer to basic account because I want to invest in this. I click on transfer to basic account. Now I need to click on a copy address, and friends, here you can see that please do not charge the non-tier address. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. If it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. Minimum 5 TRX investment. And friends, I show you how to invest in this website by investing a 50 TRX in this website. Now friends, I click on OK, and then I put and then I go to my trust wallet. Then I paste my address here. Then I need to put my amount. Then I need to click on a continue option. After clicking the continue, I click on a confirm option. After clicking on a confirm, my amount in a loading. And friends, you can see that I successfully sent to the amount of this website, and you can see that I wait for the complete sending of this amount. Friends, you can see that it loading. I wait for the complete sended status of this website. Now you can see that it completed sended. Now I go back to the my website page. You can see that I click on a recharge completed. After clicking on recharge completed, successfully deposited, I wait for a few minutes so it can be deposited successfully in my account. Friends, you can see that after a few seconds my total amount added in my account. Now I am going to describe you how to take a withdrawal from this website. For a withdrawal, I click on a withdrawal option, and here you can see that my daily withdrawal limit is 2.5 TRX, and it is the limit option, address option, and enter your security password. First I go back to my trust wallet to show you how to copy the address. I put my trust wallet, and then I need to click on receive option on Tron. I click on copy address. Now I go back here, I put my address here, then I need to put the security and other information about this website, such as this is the my 2.5 is my limit, and I put here. Then I need to click on only a confirm options. Friends, you can see that incorrect password. First I put my password correct, and here you can see that my password is wrong. Now put my password here, but first I take my limit here, such as my limit is 2.5. then I put my password, then I put this address here, such as friends my address is that you can see here. Now I put my password. After putting it, I click on a confirm. And you can see that I put my password here. Now I need to click on a confirm. You can see that I click on a confirm, and you can see that successfully withdrawal. Now I go back to my trust wallet to show you my amount received or not. Friends, you can see that my total now amount is 399. You focused on this point, and you can see that I refresh here again and again, so my transaction received successfully in my account. And friends, if it is not received, you can wait for a 5 to 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, so your investment and your deposited successfully and your withdrawal reached in account. And friends, I hope friends you like this video and are subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.